Welcome to ARTstor. ARTstor is a wonderful database where you can go in and see images of artwork from architecture to painting to drawings. This will bring you into the interface for the search. There's several ways that you can search ARTstor: by browse, by geography, classification, or collection. You'll just click on one of these selections and then they usually open up into sub-selections. So you can get pretty detailed in ARTstor, and then the collection that you choose will open up and there'll be several thumbnails of the art pieces. Under the Find, if you go back into Find, you can use our search instead of the browse. So you'll put in your search term. Let's just try something simple like cats, and you'll click Go. Leave it on all collections, and then let's show you how you can focus in. There's 466 records here. You can sort them by title, by creator, or by date. You can go into different pages. You can advance one page at a time, or you can go into the last page of the results and then go back to the very first page of the results also. You can go into an advanced search. This will display several filters that you can use. You can go into geography and you can select certain regions or certain countries. Classifications is basically the format of the artwork. You can choose the date range if you want to, and then you can add different search terms and select your field. So once you put those limiters in, you can see we went down to 20 records, which is pretty good. And then you can also search within this search results, which is very nice. So within this 20 records, I want to add the search term "and dogs." So that'll get us down to 5 records. And so now let's see, once you do choose a piece of artwork, you can learn more about it. Here, the information about this painting gives you some of the creator, the title, the work type, the format, what materials were used, etc. The file properties will give you the width and the height, and it'll also give you the URL, which is important. If you double click on the image, it will open up in a half screen, and you can see it in a larger format with a little bit more detail. If you use this icon down here, it will go into full screen, and you can see more detail too. So I just wanted to show you what these icons down here, if you zoom in with the plus sign, depending on what artwork it is, you can go in fairly closely. Some are not as close, but this one is going, and you can actually see the cracks in the paint. This one you can zoom out with the minus sign. The little microscope is the zoom mode, and that is where you can actually choose a section of the painting that you want to zoom in on, which is kind of nice, so you can really get close that way. The pan mode is where you're going to actually put your mouse on the painting and drag it into different sections of whatever artwork you're looking at the same zoom mode. So this icon will bring it back out to the reset. It'll bring it out to the regular view. You can print, you can download the image with these icons. And so we're going to go back, and there's ways to get help with ARTstor. There's some tutorials and some handouts that will give you a little bit more information. Also, if you create your own login, you can do a lot more things with ARTstor, such as uploading your own images. So that's ARTstor in a nutshell, and I hope you enjoy it.